Yes. Is it visible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Good afternoon to all.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, sir.
Yes. How was your unit test one?
एकदम बढ़िया.
हाँ. वो मार्क्स जैज इट इज आया था ना, इसके लिए बढ़िया था. हाँ. मैंने थोड़ा ट्विस्ट करना पड़ता था. ट्विस्ट करना चाहिए था ना.
हाँ सर.
ये यूनिट टेस्ट वन है, इसके लिए मैंने एज इट इज दिया. So, but don't expect the same questions in the unit test 2. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So unit test 2 will be little bit tricky. And we will solve other divisions unit test 1 also. Okay. I will send the link of the other divisions. So you have to give the test again. Okay. देखो उधर कितना मार्क्स मिलेगा आपको. उधर
Yes, sir.
इतना डिफिकल्ट है क्वेश्चन पेपर हो गया. ओके. आज नहीं तो कल देखेंगे. आज आपका कौन सा है? बीसीएमयू है ना?
हाँ.
ओके.
हाँ सर.
वो कंप्लीट होने के बाद मैं यूनिट टेस्ट होने के बाद मैंने वो देखेंगे ना. हमारा रेगुलर क्लास में ही देखेंगे. ओके. 10-15 मिनट्स मैंने वो यूनिट टेस्ट को दे दे, बाद में क्लास लेंगे. चलेगा?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Welcome back to the session of engineering mechanics. So in the last class we have seen this problem. The spheres are same diameter. So in this case, what is the main intention? I have to find out the reaction in between the two spheres. Uska angle find out karne ka hai. That is important. Correct. So can you tell me what is the angle made by the reaction RB? RB का angle कितना है? Can you tell me? Can you tell me what is the angle made by the RB reaction?
30.
30 degree.
30.
So when you, how you are saying, when the spheres are same diameter, at the time the angle made by the contact reaction is equal to as that of the angle made by the plane. Okay. In this condition also same. So here, whether is it the same contact surfaces? RC is making in how much angle? You don't know. For that, what you have to do? You have to make a rectangle here first. O1D join karne ka, O1G join karne ka. So this angle is given, it is 60. Okay. Inside angle, it is outside angle is 120. उधर से you have to find out first AG. AG find out करने के बाद आपको क्या चाहिए? O1 इधर perpendicular करने का. O1A चाहिए तो total is AB is given 600. 600 minus O2F minus AG किया तो आपको O1 इधर एक पॉइंट आएगा M और N. That point you have to find out. Then you will be knowing O1, O2, radius of first one, radius of second one. Okay. Then you have to find out theta. Correct? Is it correct?
Yes, sir.
Have you solved once again problem? मैंने जो क्लास में लिया था ना ये problem. Have you solved, tried? You have to solve one more time. Then only you will get familiar with the problems. ऐसे क्लास में देखने का, ऐसे चुपचाप रहने का ऐसे नहीं चलता. Okay. So because engineering mechanics is such a subject that you have to repeat, practice taking same problem only. Okay. Okay. Have we solved this problem?
No.
No. Okay. Take it over, all of you. Question number
10.
Okay.
10.
Perfect. All of you take now. Question number 10. Question number 10. All of you take it up. Two equal weights, two equal loads of 2500 Newton are supported by a flexible string ABCD at a point B and C. Point B and C. Full stop. Find the tension in the portion AB, BC and CD of the string. Draw this diagram. So here is your, this point is A, this point is B, C, this D. This load is 2500 Newton. This is 2500 Newton. Is given. Is it over?
Yes, sir.
Okay. How to solve this one? So ऐसे सेम प्रॉब्लम हमने लिया था, बट एट द टाइम इधर क्या था, इधर एक पुल्ली था, ऐसे क्या था, देयर वाज ए वेट. सो दिस वेट कुछ तो था 400 something. The same weight was there in the tension in this cable. The same tension was there in the cable, correct? By taking this tension, we have applied the Lebesgue theorem here. बराबर है ना?
Yes, sir.
But in this problem, it is not given, it is a pulley. Okay, frictionless pulley nahi diya. Instead of pulley, what he has given? He has given the support is fixed here. So this is support. Okay, so you will study this. What is this fixed support and all? Okay, in the next class. So these two are fixed support. Just remember, means it is not moving. This is fixed. So here he has given angle. How much it is? How much this angle? 60 degree. So here he has given 30 degree. Okay, 30 degrees go. So in order to apply the Lebesgue theorem, the forces should be concurrent. The forces, how many forces should be? Only three forces. Three forces. Among three, one should be known. Correct. Okay. Consider any of the joint. I will consider joint B. What are the unknowns? Unknowns are the force in the member or the tension in the member T, B, C. Correct? And there is a tension in the member B, T, B, C. Either TBA hai. Correct? This is TBA. Okay, BA portion. This is TBC. So from the joint C, the force is moving away. From the joint C, the force is moving away. Okay, moving away. Both are same. TBC or TCB, both are same. Okay. So here you know this angle. Can you find out this angle? Can you find out this angle?
Yes.
So totally one straight line is how much? One straight line kitna rehta?
180.
180 minus 120. What will be this angle? 60 degree. Okay, everyone. See, when this is equal to 30 degree, then can you tell me how much it is?
30.
This is equal to 30 degree. This is 30 degree. Okay, I want angle between the other two forces. When you consider 2500 Newton, total angle, you got this one. Okay, so you got these two angle. Can you calculate this angle? Can you calculate?
150.
Okay, so how to solve this one? So I will take here only. Okay, so consider you separately you have to write a okay. Consider joint. Consider equilibrium of joint. Better I will write in next page. Okay, so I'll write here. Consider equilibrium of joint. What is joint? B, correct?
Yes.
Okay. So for this B, so what was the okay, weight acting downward 2500. Okay, BC is here.
2500.
Okay, this is 0. Okay. This is 1 point. Okay, next is weight is acting downward point. Okay, next one is weight, this is moving in this direction, correct enough?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so I will take the point. This is which is this one. This is tension in the member B to A. This is tension in the member B to C. This is weight. How much is weight? It is 2500 Newton.
500
Okay.
newtons.
So here he has given this angle. How much is this angle? 120.
120.
Okay. So here you know that this is how much it is? It is 30 degree. Oh. So I and what is this angle? 180 minus 120. That is 60 degree. Correct? So calculate this angle. Okay, that is 120 to 180. This is 150 now.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Is 150. Okay. So now, so there are three forces. One force is known. Now all the angles are known. So apply. What you will apply?
Lemm's
Lemm's theorem. Lemm's theorem. Yes. Tell me. Tension in the member BC. Okay. Take tension in the member
BC upon sine 150.
Okay. I'll get it. Apply Lemm's theorem. Okay. So tell me, tension in the member BA. BA का opposite कितना है? Sin 60. Sin 60 degree. This is equal to tension in the member BC. Tension in the member BC. BC का opposite कितना है? Sin 60. Sin 150. Next, this is equal to weight is acting downward. So 2500 Newton. Weight is opposite to another two force. How much it is?
Sine 150. 150.
Okay. Consider first and third terms. So consider first and third terms. So I will take TBA divided by sin 160. Sin 60 is equal to 2500 divided by sin 150. So solve this one. Tension in a member BA. Yes. I have brought calculator. Okay. So many of you have not seen. This is the scientific calculator.
सर ब्लर आ रहा है सर आगे
430.12. 4330.
4330.12.
So this is the scientific calculator. You have to tension in member BA. How much it is?
4330.12.
Newton. Okay. Is it correct?
Yes, sir.
yes sir
Yes, sir.
Okay. So consider the other term. So other term is what? Second and third term. Okay. So here only you can write. Consider tension in a member BC divided with sine of 150 degree. This is equal to 2500 divided with sine of 150 degree. Okay. This sine of 150 sine of get cancelled. Tension in member
2500.
is equal to
2500.
is equal to 2500 Newton as it is. Okay, you have to write the units also. Units are very, very important. So this is the answer. Is it clear, everyone?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Okay. Next. So next, which joint I need to consider? Which joint I need to consider next?
C.
So C, next joint is C, you have to consider. Okay, so that is C, consider joint C.
Sir, your camera has shifted a bit, sir.
Bit shifted, no? Today they have changed it. It's it. I have to. Now, is it? Is it correct?
Yes, sir.
Now,
Yes, sir.
okay. Now consider joint C. Okay. Consider joint C. Consider joint. Is it visible? Joint C.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Apply Leibniz theorem. Okay. So in order to apply this one, one is BC is moving away. Okay. So this is BC. Okay. Next, weight is acting downward direction. Weight is acting downward direction. Okay. Next, there is a force tension in member CD. Okay. So these are the members. This is tension in the member CB. CB and BC both are same. This is tension in the member C to D. Okay, weight is acting downward. Okay, 2500. Okay, next. So in the problem, what he has given? See, this is 60 degree he has given. Okay, so is it visible now, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so when you take this is exactly vertical. Okay, what is the angle made by this one?
60.
60 degree. Okay, 60 degree. Next, can you calculate this angle? This is 120 degree. Okay, so when this is equal to see here, when this is equal to 30, this is how much? It is 30. Correct?
Yes, sir.
When this is equal to 120, can you tell me this angle?
60 degree.
60 degree. When this is equal to 60, can you tell me this angle?
60.
60 degree. When this is equal to 60 degree, can you tell me this angle?
120.
120.
So it means you got all the angles. You got all the angles. Correct? So this angle is how much? It is 150. Okay, 150 degree. Correct? No? So here it is 60, 60. That is total is how much it is? This total kitna ho gaya? This is 120. So this is 120. This is 120. All angles are 120. Correct?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. So this is 120. 120. So this is 120. This is 120. 120 degree. Then you have to apply the Leibniz theorem again. Okay. So when you apply the Leibniz theorem, apply Leibniz theorem. When all the angles are same, what will be the answers? So tension in a member CB divided by sine 120 degree. Then tension in a member CD divided by sine 120. That is equal to 2500 divided by sine 120. Okay, so this 120 get cancelled from all the sides. Okay, this 120, 120 get cancelled. So you will get
2500.
tension member CB is 2500 Newton. Okay, so tension in the member CD is equal to 2500 Newton. Already you know tension in member BC either मालूम था आपको. Okay, just you wanted to calculate tension in member CD. Okay,
CD.
that is 2000 Newton, 500 Newton. Is it clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay.
Yes,
Take
sir.
down, all of you take down. Here important thing is you should know how to calculate the angles. Okay, that is important.
सर एग्जाम में अगर यूनिट लिखना भूल गए तो कितने मार्क्स जाएंगे सर?
For unit, there will be a deduction of 1 mark. Okay. Always you have to write units. If you are not writing units, means then there is a deduction of the marks. Units के लिए marks है. Is it completed?
Yes, sir.
Others?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Is it full screen?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now you have seen this problem you have seen. Okay, you have seen this one. So there is a solution also in the. Okay, CD is 2500 Newton. Again, TAB is 4330. Again, everything is known. Okay. So I have taken this kind of problem when one is plane inclined and another plane was exactly perpendicular. But in this problem, both the planes are inclined. Correct. Both the planes are inclined. So how to solve this one? So there are two problems in your PPT. I have solved this problem. Okay. No, this one. So this and this. Okay. There are two problems. Among these two, I will solve one problem. Okay. Remaining problem you have to solve this. Which one I need to solve? Tell me. Both are same. Only just data is changed. Which
This
one?
one only.
Yeah, this one I will solve. Okay.
Yes.
Yes.
You have to take this one and you have to solve. Okay, here weight diameter is given and weight is given. Angles are same. Okay, 60 and 30. Okay, here also same it is. Okay, so all of you take down this one. Two smooth cylinders with radius and weights as shown in figure. With radius and weights as shown in figure. Are kept in a groove. Are kept in a groove with slanting surfaces. Determine the reactions at the contact surfaces or contact points. Reaction at the contact points. Okay, is it clear? Okay, so take down this cylinder. So box, cylinder 1, 2, cylinder 1, 2, radius is 1.125 mm, 200 mm. So weight first one is 500 Newton and 800 Newton. So first cylinder is denoted. Okay, take down this diagram also. Take down little bit bigger diagram. Okay, because you have to draw again. Okay, take down little bit bigger diagram. So here it is A, here it is A, here it is contact point is B, here it is C. Yes, please mute yourself. Please mute yourself. Rule number 4, Komal. Okay, so RA point, RB. So next contact point is RC. So RB is making a 60 degree and this is 30 degree. Okay, this is the point. That is, I will take this point is D point. This one is D point. And center of the first circle, I will take it is O1. And center of the second circle, second sphere, I will take it is O2. Okay. I will draw the same figure so in the whiteboard so that आपको समझ में आए. Have you written this much? I will draw same figure. I will draw. Okay, I will draw same figure. Just wait. So there is a one plane which is making an angle 60 degree. Okay, and another plane which is making an angle 30 degree. Okay, so there is a circle which is having sphere. Okay. So this is sphere 1. Okay, next there is another sphere. So this is another sphere, like this it is resting. Okay, so next there is angle which is made with the horizontal. Okay, so this angle it is 30 degree and this angle it is 60 degree. Okay, so there is a point center point here and there is a center point here. So this is cylinder 1, this is cylinder 2. I will take center point of cylinder 1 is O1, center point of cylinder 2 is O2. Okay, so here he has given point. This is B. No, I think it is A, no? So this point is A. This point here I has given B. This point is given C. And I have taken the contact between two cylinders spheres is, I will take it is D. Okay, so in the problem he is asking what is the reaction RA, RB, RC, RD, correct? Is it clear everyone?
Yes, sir.
So I know that reaction RA, this is RA, correct? So and there is a reaction RB. Okay, it means both are parallel to each other. So when this is RB, what is the angle made by the RB? ये एंगल कितना रहता?
60, 30,
हाँ? 30 डिग्री. 30 डिग्री. देखो इधर एक ट्रायंगल हो गया ना, ये 60 है ऑलरेडी. Okay, this will be equal to 90 degree. This will become 30 degree. Okay, again this reaction RA is the reaction. This is RA. RA is making how much is the angle? That is parallel to this one, no? How much it is? 30 degree. Then there is a RC. Okay, RC. This RC, how much is the angle made with RC?
60.
It is 60. Okay, it is 60 degree. Because this is 30, this is 30. So either this is make up, this is 60 degree. Correct to everyone?
Yes.
Okay. So
Yes,
RA का horizontal angle मिल गया, RB का horizontal angle मिल गया, RC का मिल गया. But there is a reaction in between O1 and O2. That is D. Correct. इधर एक reaction है. Okay. So how to find out that reaction? That is from O1 to O2. Okay, is it parallel to this first plane? Is it parallel?
No, sir.
No.
No.
So I have to find out the reaction. So that will be first. My intention is I have to find the angle made by this reaction. Okay. So angle made by the O1 O2 is how much? So I say एक problem solve किया था ना हमने. What I have done? What I have done? So first I have to make a rectangle. So rectangle इधर से इसको perpendicular ड्रा करने का. Next इधर से इधर perpendicular ड्रा करने का. Okay. Next from this point to this point. Okay. Exactly आपको plane कितना है उतना. So now is it one rectangle?
Yes.
A, B. I will take this point is M. M and O. O1. Is it a rectangle हो गया ना? Okay. So this is alpha I have taken. Is it correct? This is alpha point. Okay. So I have to find out what is the value of alpha. So how to find out the value of alpha? ये alpha है. Okay. Alpha value find out करना है तो O1 O2 you should know and O2 M I should know. Correct ना? O1 O2. How to find out the O1 O2? O1 O2 is equal to radius
उन दोनों के रेडियस
radius of the first cylinder plus radius of the second cylinder. Is it correct? Yes. What is the radius of the first cylinder? कितना है?
125.
125 mm.
125. Radius of the second cylinder कितना है?
200.
200. Okay. That is equal to 325. Correct answer? Next, I want to find out O2M. What is the value of O2M? O2M. O2M. Total कितना है? O2B. Correct? O2B minus BM. BM. Is it correct?
यस सर.
हाँ. O2B. O2B मतलब क्या है? Is it a radius of the second cylinder? R2
यस सर.
minus BM. BM is equal to O1A. Is it a radius of the first cylinder?
Yes.
यस सर.
Okay. So that is 200 minus 125. So that is equal to 75
यस.
mm. 75 mm. So next, I want to find out alpha. So how to find out the alpha? So from triangle O1 O2 and M. Tan alpha is equal to. So tan alpha is equal to. Tan alpha is equal to tell me what is tan alpha? O2M divided by
O2.
O1M.
O1M.
But I don't know the value of O1M. O1M है क्या हमारे पास? O1 O2 है.
Sin alpha लेना पड़ेगा.
साइन अल्फा लेना पड़ेगा. हाँ, साइन अल्फा लिया तो आपको आंसर आएगा. यस. ओके. सो साइन अल्फा किया तो O2M डिवाइडेड बाय O1 O2 आएगा आपको. तो कैलकुलेट साइन अल्फा. ओके. सो दिस विल नॉट साइन अल्फा. सो साइन अल्फा इज इक्वल टू हाँ कैलकुलेट व्हाट इज साइन अल्फा.
O2M upon O1 O2.
O2M upon O1 O2. Okay. So what is O2M? O2M is equal to 75. What is O1 O2? O1 O2 is equal to it is
325.
325. Calculate 325. So calculate value of alpha.
30.34.
13.34. 13.34 degrees. Is it correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So first you have to determine the value of alpha. Okay. So next what I need to find out. So here अपने थोड़ा जो concentration है. Okay, this is एक parallel line. This is एक parallel line. Okay. I have to find this angle. Okay. So what is I have to find out this is theta. Okay. I have to find out this theta because this is the RD reaction. This reaction is making angle theta with respect to horizontal. So in order to find out this theta, so this is equal to this theta. Is it correct, everyone? Everyone. So
Yes,
this is
sir.
theta. This theta is equal to this theta. I have to find out this theta. So in order to find out that one, this is vertical angle. Okay, vertical angle. So next, so what is the angle? This is how much is this much? Huh? So this is equal to your plane angle. So इधर कितना है? इधर 30 है ना?
30.
So that is equal to 30. That is equal to 30. I will write this alpha here. Alpha is here. Alpha is here. Okay, I will rewrite once again. So this is alpha. This is 30. So I want to find out this theta. So theta is equal to. ऐसे एक प्रॉब्लम सेम प्रॉब्लम मैंने सॉल्व किया ऑलरेडी. ओके सेम है. सो थीटा इज इक्वल टू टेल मी टोटल इज 90 है ना. टोटल इज 90. सो ईयर टू ईयर दैट इज इक्वल टू 90. सो थीटा इज इक्वल 90 माइनस 30 माइनस अल्फा
13.
okay. So that is 90 degree minus 30 degree minus 30 degree minus alpha. Alpha is equal to 13.34 degree. Okay. So next calculate the value of theta. एक बार थीटा फाइंड आउट किया तो आपको मैं 50% of the काम खत्म होगा.
46.66.
46.66 okay degrees. Yes, now tell me, is there any doubt in finding the value of alpha? Theta. ये 30 कैसे आ गया समझ में पता है सभी को?
Yes, sir.
That is angle made by the plane is equal to angle made by the vertical. ये plane है ना, ये plane से जा रहे हैं. So इस टाइम इसी तरफ से that is equal to 30 degree. इसी तरफ से जाना है तो this is 60 है. So this is equal to 60 रहता. अभी हम ये इस तरफ से जा रहे हैं, इसके लिए this is 30. Okay, टोटल 90 रहता. 90 में से -30 करने का अगेन माइनस अल्फा किया तो हमको थीटा आएगा. ऐसे एक प्रॉब्लम हमने पिछले क्लास में भी सॉल्व किया था. सेम टाइप ऑफ प्रॉब्लम. Once if you find out this value, then rest is easy. So what we have to find out? What we have to do? Which equilibrium I need to consider? Consider equilibrium of which sphere? Cylinder 1. Cylinder 1. Equilibrium of cylinder. Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Cylinder 1. Okay. So file a cylinder draw कर दो. So I will draw the first cylinder. Okay. So next, what are the active and reactive components? Okay. So one is RA. So this is RA. Okay. RA. Okay. Next one is weight is
RD.
acting downward. Weight is acting downward. Next there is RD. So there is RD. Okay, so rate its angle. So this is RA. RA is making how much is angle? RA का angle कितना? 30 degree. RA का angle correct. This is 60. Plane का angle 60 है. RA का angle कितना रहता है?
30.
degree. Then RD. So this is RD. RD का angle कितना रहता? So that is equal to your theta value. Okay, that is equal to your theta value. Theta is equal to 46.66. That is equal to 46.66 degree. Then weight is acting down. What is the weight of the smaller cylinder?
125. No, sorry,
500.
500.
500.
Hmm.
500
Newtons.
Okay. So the same thing I will redraw like this. RA is passing in the first quadrant. Next, RD is passing in the second quadrant. Okay. Next, weight is acting in the downward direction. Weight is acting in the downward direction. Okay. Next, you have to write the angles. So this is RA is passing at an angle of 30 degree. So 30 plus 90, that is equal to 120 degree.
1.
So this is 46 plus 90. When it passes 46 with respect to horizontal, I want with respect to vertical. 46 plus 90. That is equal to 136.66. Okay. So remaining is how much? Remaining is 360 minus 120 minus 136. How much it is?
सर शायद 144.44 आएगा. एक मिनट सर.
By Shahid, calculate correctly.
हाँ.
Yes, others, please do calculation.
103.34.
103.34 degrees.
34.
Okay, so apply Lami's theorem. Lami's theorem. Okay, apply now. So first one, okay, I will apply here. Okay. Okay, apply. So first, what is RD? I will consider. Okay, RD upon RD opposite angle sin 120.
20.
Sin 120 degrees is equal to RA upon sin
136.
136.6.
136.66. That is equal to 500 divided by 103 sin 103
Sin 103.
sin 103 sin I will write third term. Okay, so that is equal to, I will write here 500 divided by sin of 103.34 degrees. So consider first and third one. So consider that is first is RD upon sin 120 is equal to, so 500 divided by sin of 103.34. Calculate RD.
445.
45.02.
445.02, correct. 445.02 Newton. Okay, next consider second and third one. Consider RA divided by sin of 136.66 is equal to 500 divided by sin of 103.34. What is RA?
Sir, 152.67.
152.67.
No.
33 sir. 352.67.
5.23.
Yes, it's correct.
5.23.
352.67. Is it correct?
Yes sir.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
So these are the answers. Next, when you are going for the second cylinder. So next is second cylinder. Consider second cylinder. So consider cylinder 2. Okay. Next. So for the cylinder 2. So this is the cylinder 2. Correct. So what are the active and reactive forces? So active and reactive forces. First one is, tell me, weight is acting downward. Okay. There is a reaction RB. Okay. There is a reaction RC. RD. Correct.
RCA sir. और ऊपर से RD.
C. So there is RC, again there is RD. Yes. This is RC, again there is one RD. Okay, like this it is. So all you have to write. So first one is weight is acting. How much is weight?
800.
800 newtons.
Newton. So this is RC. RC is making an angle of 60 degree. Correct. So this is RB. RB is making an angle of 30 degree. Okay. This is RD. So RD, how much it is? How much it is making?
445. No, sorry.
46.
46.
46.66.
66.
46.66. 66 degrees. Okay. So I will redraw this one. So that is equal to RC is moving in the second quadrant. RC is moving in the second quadrant. RB is moving in first quadrant. RB is moving in first quadrant. Weight is acting downward direction. It is acting downward direction. Next, which one is
RD,
remaining?
sir.
RD.
RD.
RD is moving.
Third quadrant.
RD is moving in this one. Next, write it. So RB. This is RB. Write only with respect. So how many forces are there here?
4.
Four. Will you apply Lami's theorem?
No.
No, sir.
No, so
No,
we
sir.
will not apply Lami's theorem. So what I have to do? I have to write all the angles with respect to vertical or horizontal. So RB का angle कितना है? RB का angle it is 30 degree. 30 degree. Then RC. So this is RD. So RD is making an angle 46.66 degrees. Then RC is making 60 degree. RC is making 60 degree. So this is RC. Weight is acting 800 Newton. That is downward. Okay. So apply. What you will apply? Apply
Equilibrium.
equilibrium conditions.
Equilibrium.
Equilibrium conditions. Okay. See here it is sigma. See it's RB. RD is known. RD value is known.
Yes,
correct?
sir.
What is that one?
445.02.
445.02 Newton. So RC I don't know, RB I don't know. Means both are inclined. Means this is having horizontal component. This is also having horizontal. Both are having vertical component. So now you can consider both the equations. Okay. So sigma fx is equal to 0. Are you getting? So last class, what I have taken, which was purely horizontal and which was purely vertical. Those equation I was considered. In this equation problem, both RB and RC is inclined. It is having its component in x direction and y direction. Correct. That's why I have to consider both equations. Sigma fx is equal to 0. Tell me. RB is moving in which direction? Positive right hand side or left hand side?
Positive.
Positive.
Plus.
RB.
Positive.
Tell me. RB
cos 30.
cos 30. See first chapter. Without first chapter you cannot move. You cannot go. Okay. You have to solve. Next minus second quadrant. Say RC. Cos
RC
60.
cos 60.
Now this 800. Is it producing any forces in the horizontal direction?
No, sir.
No, it will not. Next, RD. RD is in fourth quadrant. That is moving
Positive
towards
direction.
positive. That is plus
445.
445.02
Cos.
is equal to 0. So now what I will do? Okay. So what is the value of cos 30? Cos 30 root 3 by 2. Correct na? Root 3 by 2. I will write root 3 by 2. Okay. Root 3 by 2. So RB minus what is cos 60? 1 by 2. 1 by 2. RC. I will transfer this to the left hand side. So minus 445.02. Okay. So keep this equation number 1. Okay. So next I will consider another equation. What is that another equation? Yes, another equation. What is that one?
FY की तरफ से.
Sigma Fy is equal to 0. So consider Fy. RB का Fy component क्या है? Plus RB sin 30 degree. So next RC is moving upward direction. Plus RC sin 60 degree.
60.
Next 800 is moving downward. Minus 800. Next minus RD is moving downward. 445.02 sin 46.66 is equal to 0.
तर इथं राहील cos लिहायचं राहील.
Is it correct?
fx ला summation fx ला
Cos राहिला.
cos
Yes.
46.
Very good. Correct. इधर मैंने cos term I have forgotten. Cos 46.66. Correct. Good. That is equal to 0. Then this answer is changing, sir. Calculate this one and tell me what is this answer. 445.02 into cos 46.6. 45.02.
0.68.
हाँ 305 करेक्ट ना, minus 305.43 429. Okay, 43 I will write. Is it correct? Everyone, only this answer I am correct है ना?
हाँ सर करेक्ट है.
हाँ okay. So next इधर RB sin 30 is how much? It is 1/2 RB. Okay. Next RC sin 60 plus √3/2 RC. Next I will transfer this to right hand side. That will become positive. That is 800 plus 445.02 into sin 46.66. So this answer will be 1123.66. So this is equation number 2. Okay. So I will write this equation, that is √3/2. √3/2 is equal to 0.866. 0.866 RB minus 0.5 RC is equal to minus 305.43. Okay, next I will write same thing. This is 0.5 RB plus 0.866 RC, that is equal to 1123.6. Is it correct answer?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now you can how to solve these two equations. So there are two equations, two unknowns. This is equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. All of you are a calculator, scientific calculator है आपके पास?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So using calculator, do you know how to solve equations?
Yes, sir.
No sir.
Okay.
No sir.
So first make it on. Okay. मैंने जैसे बोलते वैसे ही कर दीजिए. Okay. Press on the mode button. Press on the mode. इधर mode है देखो. On के बाजू में mode है ना?
Yes sir.
You have to give me responses. So मैंने जैसे बोलते वैसे ही आप response देने का. So मुझे मतलब समझ में आता है, आपको मालूम हो रहा है. एक बार प्रेस करने के बाद क्या गए? कॉम्प एंड कंपोजिट एंड कॉम्प्लेक्स आ गए ना?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
और एक बार प्रेस करिए, और एक बार. उधर स्टैंडर्ड डेविएशन SD आ गया, रिग्रेशन REG आ गया, नेक्स्ट बेस आ गया ना 1 2 3.
Yes,
Yes
sir.
sir.
ओके, नेक्स्ट और एक बार मोड प्रेस करिए, और एक बार.
Equation.
इक्वेशंस आ गए,
Matrix and
मैट्रिक्स एंड वेक्टर 3 आ गए ना. हमको इक्वेशन को यू हैव टू टाइप 1. ओके, इक्वेशन चाहिए तो टाइप 1 प्रेस करिए. 1
Yes.
प्रेस करने के बाद क्या आ गया?
Unknowns.
अननोन्स 2 और 3. हमारा इक्वेशंस कितना है?
2.
2 इक्वेशंस है, 2 अननोन्स है ना?
Yes, sir.
हाँ ओके. सो 2 है तो 2 प्रेस करने का, 3 है तो 3 प्रेस करने का. 2 प्रेस करो.
Okay.
व्हाट इज आस्किंग?
A1.
A1 मतलब आपका फर्स्ट इक्वेशन में फर्स्ट इज अननोन इज हाउ मच? RB का कितना है कंपोनेंट्स? कांस्टेंट 0.866. सो जस्ट टाइप 0.866, 0.866. प्रेस करने के बाद इक्वल प्रेस करें.
B1.
B1, इट इज आस्किंग B1 करेक्ट?
Yes, sir.
इट मींस फर्स्ट इक्वेशन में सेकंड अननोन इज RC का कांस्टेंट कितना है? -0.5 करेक्ट?
Five.
माइनस 0.5 प्रेस करिए. 0.5 होने के बाद इक्वल प्रेस करिए, अगेन इक्वल प्रेस करिए.
C1.
C1 मींस इक्वल होने के बाद हाउ मच इज द कांस्टेंट कितना है? -305. माइनस
Point.
305.43.
A2.
A2. Okay. So next A2. So press A2. A2 मतलब इक्वेशन 2 में व्हाट इज द कांस्टेंट फॉर द फर्स्ट अननोन? RB का अननोन कितना है? 0.5. सो टाइप 0.5 इक्वल B2 में सेकंड अननोन का कांस्टेंट 0.866 प्लस है 0.866.
C2.
C2 मींस इक्वल होने के बाद कितना है? 1123.66. ओके, नेक्स्ट प्रेस इक्वल.
297.
Yes, yes, that is the your first unknown ka answer. So first unknown is
2.34.
first unknown is that is RB है ना first unknown. So RB is equal to 297.34. Again press equal.
1125.
That is your second unknown. Second unknown कौन सा है? RC. RC is equal to 111125 25.85. These are the answers. Newton. These are the answers. So ऐसे solve करने का देखो with help of calculator. Okay, is it clear? Scientific calculator.
सर एग्जाम में अलाउड होता है?
Yes, this is allowed for your exams. That's why I am stressing all of you. Bring a scientific calculator. Okay, sin theta, cos theta, tan, logs, antilogs, everything you can do. Hyperbola, sin hyperbolic functions, equations, matrix. You can
हर
solve.
रोज एक स्पेशल क्लास रख लो सर ये पढ़ाने के लिए.
Yes, yes, I will teach. Okay. At least one or two solve किया ना using calculator से solve किया ना?
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's good. Okay, those who have not solved. Okay, आपको मालूम है how to solve the simultaneous equations using mathematics? So mathematics में how to solve this one? You know this one and this one. Using mathematics equations, you can solve these two. Okay.
Yes,
so
sir.
you will get these answers. These are the answers. Okay. So take down. Already time up. So start this one. You have to repeat the same problem. Take the same problem. Try it once again. Okay.
सर इसको फिर से सही कैसे करें? मुझे मींस कैलकुलेटर को अपने जगह पर फिर से कैसे लाएं?
क्या बोल रहे?
मतलब ए सीधा बना है सर उससे वो अप राइट कॉर्नर वाला.
हाँ.
सब कुछ क्लियर करना है.
नो सर फिर से हम
नॉर्मल मोड बताने के लिए कुछ करना है.
हाँ ओके कैलकुलेटर में ओके. अभी देखो एस्केप ऑन किया तो A1 आता है, करेक्ट है ना? हाँ, इक्वल प्रेस किया तो A1 B1 A2 ऐसा आता है. इसके लिए मोड में जाने का, मोड प्रेस करो तो कंपोजिट 1 प्रेस करो, मोड के बाद 1 प्रेस करने का. सो यू विल गेट 0 एवरीथिंग. क्लियर?
यस सर.
कि इक्वेशन एक बार इक्वेशन होने के बाद अपने 0 प्रेस ऑन प्रेस किया तो जो A1 B1 ऐसे ही रहते कैलकुलेटर में, इक्वेशन से रहते. सो वो निकालने के लिए प्रेस मोड प्रेस होने के बाद 1 प्रेस करो सो दैट इट विल क्लियर. ओके, सो गुड. इफ यू हैव एनी डाउट यू कैन आस्क मी. टेक डाउन दिस वन. So I have taken all the kinds of equilibrium problems. Okay, these are sufficient for your exams. Okay, you have to practice these problems. ऐसे ही आएगा आपको. Maximum times repeat हो जाएगा. Just there will be change in the dimension. Sphere का dimension change करेगा, angle का dimension change करेगा वो. Rule number 7. $13, 16, 18, 19, 62. Set numbers 7, 13, 16, 18, 19, 62.
4B sir, 64.
64 is not there. 63 is last.
4 है सर, वो लास्ट ऋषिकेश खेड़ेकर.
है क्या?
हाँ.
बट हमारा अटेंडेंस शीट में 62 दिखा रही है. 61 नंबर एडमिशन कैंसिल हो गया, बट 63 है. 64. बट हमारा सीसी कुछ नहीं मिला. Is it completed?
No sir.
हेलो सर.
हाँ बोलिए. यस.
वो सिग्नल प्रॉब्लम की वजह से.
हाँ. What is your number? Yes.
31 sir.
31 is present. 7 absent. 13 absent. 16, 18, 19, 62, 62. 64. Okay. 7, 13, 16, 18, 19, 62, 64. Okay.
Complete sir. Over sir.
Huh? Is it visible?
Yes.
Yes sir.
Okay.
हेलो सर.
हाँ. Okay. बोलिए.
हेलो
हाँ हेलो.
सर, क्वेश्चन स्लाइड्स शो कराना होगा.
क्वेश्चंस क्या है क्या? ये have you written this one?
No sir.
हाँ फिर देखो वो क्वेश्चंस आपको पीपीटी में रहेगा. ओके. एज इट इज पीपीटी देखो. मैंने वो दिखाई थी वो हो जाएगा. मिस होगा. ये पहले लिखो ये. नहीं टेक डाउन द स्क्रीनशॉट ऑल ऑफ यू. इट्स ऑलरेडी टाइम अप. ओके. Okay, all of you take down the screenshot. I will show that question will go. Taken?
Yes sir.
Okay. Okay. If you want, you can take down this also. First one. Take down screenshot. Okay. So that I will show that question. Take down the question.
Sir, today I completed my unit number 2.
See, all the answers are there.
Where I understood.
Whether the answers are correct? RA
What is the role of
352. Is it correct?
Yes sir.
Is it correct or no? R
Yes,
is
sir.
352.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
RB is 294. RC is 1122.62.
Yes, sir.
And R1, that is RD. RD is 445. All our answers are there. Is it finished? Okay, trade on this screenshot also. Okay, then complete.
सर होमवर्क दिखाइए.
Yes, homework. Yes,
Right.
take down this one. This is for your homework. So what is given? So F1, F2, F3 and F4 is given. F5 is asked. F5 and theta corresponding theta 5 is asked. Okay, all of you take down this screenshot. You have to solve. There is a answers also. F5 and its theta is given. Okay, you have to solve this one. Okay, if you are not getting, we will take this in the next class. Next, this problem you have to take. You have to solve. All of you have to solve this one. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Just here क्या changes है? So weight of the cylinder is different and diameter is different. That's all. Okay. We'll stop now. We'll continue in the next class. Okay. Okay. We'll continue in the next class. Thank you all.